Hello, my name is Evgeny Kulikov. I'm senior lecturer at the National Research Nuclear University MEPhIx. Do you work in the field of nuclear energy and realize that knowledge is used inefficiently and even could be lost? Then this course is for you. You will learn how to use, transfer, and preserve knowledge for the further development of nuclear industry. Simply said, this course is all about how to manage knowledge as a key resource in nuclear organizations. This course is designed to meet the recommendations of the International Atomic Energy Agency. It is not only for students of nuclear specialties, but also for the staff of nuclear organizations. To take the course, you do not need a deep knowledge in nuclear technology. I welcome you very much and wish you a great and very useful time.